Have you ever said something in English and thought, ugh, that sounded basic?
Yeah, like you say, I'm tired, and it just falls flat.
Exactly. You mean to sound expressive, but your words sound like they've been copied straight from a grammar book.
But guess what? It's not your fault. Most learners study English, but they don't feel English.
So today we'll fix that. We'll show you how to speak smarter by replacing simple, boring words with real, powerful human expressions that native speakers actually use.
If you want to sound natural, emotional, and confident, stay till the end. Because by the time you finish this episode, your English will sound 10 times smarter. And you won't even need to memorize anything complicated.
Words are not just tools, they're emotions. When you say, I'm happy, it just describes your mood. But when you say, I'm thrilled, people feel your happiness.
Or think about this: I'm scared versus I'm terrified. Both mean the same thing, but the second one paints a picture. It sounds alive.
Language is emotion in sound form.
When you use stronger words, you don't just communicate, you connect. That's why smart speakers, natives, actors, even leaders use emotional vocabulary. It's not about sounding fancy, it's about sounding human.
Okay, let's start with some easy examples. I'll say the basic version, and Adam, you'll upgrade it.
Deal. Let's make people sound like natives today.
I'm tired.
I'm exhausted.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm scared.
I'm terrified.
I'm happy.
I'm thrilled.
I'm busy.
I'm swamped.
I'm sad.
I'm heartbroken.
Hear that? Every smarter word shows emotion, not just information.
Exactly. I'm sad is a statement. I'm heartbroken is a feeling.
And that's the secret. Native speakers express how they feel, not just what they think.
Let's imagine a few short real life scenes. We'll show you how small vocabulary changes make big emotional impact. Scene 1: The long day. How are you, Jess? You look tired.
Tired? No, I'm exhausted. I work till midnight.
See? Just one word, and suddenly you feel her pain. Scene 2: The hungry couple.
Want to eat something?
I'm starving. I could eat a whole pizza by myself.
That's real English. You'll never hear a native say, I'm very hungry.
Scene 3: The exciting news. Guess what? I got the job.
Oh my God, that's fantastic. I'm thrilled for you.
Listen to that. It's not robotic, it's alive. Scene 4: The overworked friend. Hey, can you help me tomorrow?
I'd love to, but I'm swamped this week.
Perfect. That's how busy people actually speak.
Let's make it more advanced. Not just single words, but smarter phrases.
Good idea. Because sounding natural isn't about fancy vocabulary, it's about context.
Instead of saying, I don't know, try, I'm not sure. I have no idea. I can't say for certain.
Instead of I'm sorry, you can say my bad. I messed up. That was my mistake.
Instead of I'm busy, say, I've got a lot on my plate. I'm snowed under.
Instead of it's easy, say it's a piece of cake. It's not rocket science.
When you use expressions like these, your English suddenly feels authentic. Not like it came from a textbook, but from real life.
Okay, quick challenge for everyone listening. We'll say a basic sentence, you replace the keyword out loud.
Don't just think, speak. I'm tired. It's very big. I'm happy. It's very bad. I'm sad. I'm busy. It's very small. I'm scared. It's very good. I'm hungry.
Good. That's how you train your brain to respond, not just translate.
If you keep doing this daily, your mouth will start saying the smarter version automatically. One big mistake learners make: they memorize new words but never use them.
You don't need to learn 1,000 new words. You just need to replace the 20 you already use every day with smarter ones.
Exactly. Don't study English like a subject. Live it like a language.
Next time you want to say very, stop yourself. Ask, is there one stronger word that says this better?
And 90% of the time there is. Let's recap quickly. You learned how to speak smarter by replacing tired arrow, exhausted, hungry, starving, happy, thrilled, sad, miserable, angry, furious, busy, swamped, good, excellent, bad arrow, awful, big, enormous, small arrow, tiny.
And most importantly, you learned that smart English isn't about showing off. It's about sounding real.
Because the smarter your words, the deeper your connection.
So go ahead, speak naturally, speak confidently, and speak smarter.
And don't forget, hit subscribe, share this episode with your friends, and practice every day.